Your shit is bad low though.
Well, shit is loud, right?
I think you put it on too tight, but
this shit is cool. Ooh. Yeah, we gotta send that to Gina. She left. She running.
I heard him again.
She's like, oh my god.
It's the horn killers.
The horn crew. The horn crew. Oh, the fuck was that? He's swagging and surfing right now. You see that guy? Look. Yeah! Oh, cool guy speeding on his bike there. You see him? Now we're currently in fucking, I don't even know where. And
Richmond Hill on Parkland South and 96th Street.
you heard that?
This shit is hot.
Oh, yo, you wanna do something? You should let me drive and do the rest. That's lucky. We should just. Oh, this shit is mad cold.
Yeah, I feel you.
You don't have another bottle?
Huh?
Do you have another bottle? So you could do this? We could walk and do this? Yeah. Yeah.
It's just like.
Gee. Gee. Oh, it's mad dark. I'm dying.
I coughed because I coughed.
Yeah, cool.
If that made sense.
I don't know why you drove around this block. Like,
Why not?
yo, Lewis, your shit cold?
Oh, yeah.
Your shit hella cold.
Mine is a little cold.
Feel this shit.
Oh.
Feel this shit.
Oh shit, there's a bicycle there.
Wait.
Because he can just follow us.
Wait. Where you at?
Behind us.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, it's a.
Wait, let him pass. Tell him to pass. As soon as he get past it.
The biker guy. We need more people, man. More people. More effing people. The zombies are coming. I'm rolling on the top, but only happens right above me. We are. It's young money, motherfucking. If you ain't running with it, run from it, motherfucker. Alright, have somebody throw some money in this bitch. I don't know the rest. Fuck it. I gotta catch somebody. God. He didn't look.
He did.
Oh, he did? Whoa. Who's next? Who's next? Who's next? Who's next? Who's next? Who's next? Who?
Oh, yes, go. Oh, yeah. Somebody right there.
Oh. There's a stop sign, though. He looked like a cop, too. Nah, is he?
Because he's white?
He's not. Hold on.
Why is my shit so whack? There we go.
Oh.
Like, shut the fuck up.
Oh shit. Your lights is on. Your lights is on for something. Niggas just blinked at you.
Yeah, my lights was off.
That was her?
Yeah.
Damn, yo.
Yes. That's a good thing I was going down those blocks. Like that. You was going
Oh shit. Oh yeah. You going straight?
Nah, I'm gonna go.
Look at him. Look.
This guy's with the
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Oh, you coming? You coming?
Like, yo, it's me out. You got Oh shit! I got scared too. I'm really gonna be dead.
Where? Oh shit. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Where?
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. That shit is just crazy. Yo, let's smoke an L.
I'm about to pull over somewhere though.
Alright.
Don't blow it off, please.
Alright, I was. How you
Look,
know?
there's somebody right there.
Where?
No, it's just somebody there.
Hold on, I'm about to park up so we can roll.
I don't have roll up. I have $1.